So guys, how to make ghost trail effect in Shotcut? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. So we have our sample video on the timeline. Now go to left side, right click, track operation, insert a new track. Now copy the first clip, Ctrl C, select the second layer, move to the first frame, Ctrl V to paste. Move the playhead to the first frame again, then select the upper clip, go to properties, or from up here select the properties button. Then we have speed, change the value from 1 to 0.96 and press on enter. Now go to filters, or from up here the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for opacity, reduce the opacity to like 50%. Let's see what we have. See, we have our ghost trail. Suppose you want to increase or decrease the after image gap. For that, just select the clip, then go to properties again and change the speed. Let's change it to 0.94 and see the change. See, lastly, if we move our playhead at the end, as you can see, we still have the delay. Now as this is the end of our clip, we don't want to see this after image. For that, select the clip, go to filters, then the opacity, click on this button to make a keyframe. Now move the slider. So here we have our keyframe and this is the end. Let's move it for like 1 second. Then reduce the level to 0. Go back to timeline and this is the end of our trail. So guys, that's how easily we can use ghost trail effect in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.